How to turn on or turn off Bluetooth hearing aids shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down to and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Hearing Enhancement. After click on Hearing Enhancement, click on Hearing Aid Spot. After click on Hearing Aid Spot, here showing you Bluetooth Hearing Aid shortcut. If you want to turn on Bluetooth Hearing Aid shortcut, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Bluetooth Hearing Aid shortcut is turned on. If you want to turn off Bluetooth hearing aid shortcuts, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Bluetooth hearing aid shortcut is turned off. You will turn on or turn off Bluetooth hearing aid shortcuts from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Bluetooth hearing aid shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.